Namaste friends, welcome back to the channel Smart Index Edge. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. In today's session, I'm going to reveal something very powerful from my EP system. That is episodic pivot flip level. That is very, very important. When the episodic pivot flips, then a powerful move will come in the market. Here you see green PEEP and red CEEP pivot levels, episodic pivot levels every day. But the true movement begins when an episodic pivot is broken and then suddenly reclaimed. This flip, this one candle shift tells you exactly who is controlling the market at that moment. PE writers or CE writers, buyers or sellers, continuation or reversal. Most traders ignore this moment, but I'll show you how this single flip level can give you confidence, clarity, and perfect timing for your trade entries. Let us start. In my indicator, EP means episodic pivot. A key level formed when option writers shift their base. Green EP is equal to PE episodic pivot support by PE writers. Red EP is equal to CE episodic pivot resistance by CE writers. These pivots show where writers defend or abandon their territory. What happens is, when the writers were trapped, liquidity was taken and big player reclaims the control. So now we shall understand in this chart, Nifty chart. I have come to the Nifty chart just to explain. I am on the daily chart. Here, the new bull episodic pivot is formed, and you can see bullish episodic pivot has been formed continuously. So this writer, one new episodic pivot has been formed. This line, episodic pivot, they have lost their control. That means they have abandoned this level and the price has broken above this and moved here. See, now we are seeing only red episodic pivots, red lines, that is writer's zone. We are in the writer's zone. One by one, writer has been eliminated and the new bullish episodic pivot has been formed. Let me zoom it out. This is the new bullish episodic is formed. And the bottom of this line, this is the flip level. And you can see one more bullish episodic pivot. So this writer was eliminated, and then price moved to the next level. Then what has happened in the market? It has come down. These writers actually were trapped. Liquidity was trapped and market came down to all the way down to this level, could not break this writer's level, strong writer level. This strong writer level is acting as the support, only we are not seeing put writers over here. If you go there, put writers are in between call writers, and here we are seeing only call writers, and the market, after moving higher, it reclaimed this level. That means it has taken, this is the flip level. the first flip level. This was the resistance, became support. Episodic pivot. So these are the bullish episodic pivots which had happened previously. You can see this was the level. A new level was formed and it was broken. It acted as the flip level. Flip level means support. And again, this level acted as the support. This is another flip level. It has support flipped to resistance, and again the market reclaimed this level and it acted as the support. Here, this is the flip level. Now, after this was the latest. If you go to the latest bullish episodic pivot, the market broken above this level and a new bullish episodic pivot has been formed, triggered. This is the level where new level has been formed. You can see over here, this level is acting as the resistance now at present. Let me write down the right resistance. And this is at the support. Resistance broken and it is at the support. And one more level, this is the very, very important level because 25,000. This is 25,000. Let us label. Let me write down 25,955. If I place the cursor, no, 970. 970 is the major break or make because it has broken down and it has reclaimed. So this is the major flip level. 25,970 is the major flip level. If the market breaks this, then new breakdown can happen in the market. At present, this is the major support level. So 26,000, let us mark this level, 26,055. Yesterday, market had come down to this level, 26,052. So let us highlight on an intraday basis. Let us highlight this level. Let us change the time frame to hourly. If you change the time frame to hourly, you can see many lines over here. 1, 2, 3. Many lines of support over here. If I place the cursor, 1 level, 25,998, 25,985, and 25,957. Because this is the major level. Why? These are the levels, major level. It has broken above and reclaimed. And a new episodic pivot was formed around 26,034. This is the new level you can see on an hourly basis, 26,030. 26,030 and the market has broken below this level, 26,096, and these are the major cluster of levels over here. So you can see the market, you can easily identify the swings. This is the put writer level. 25,784. The market has come down, broken above, new bullish level has been formed and reclaimed this support. Higher high and higher low, and market has moved here. Now it is coming down and made a lower high and it is approaching this level. So in this level, if the market takes support, this is the major support level. With these levels, minor levels matters in option trading traders. First, they will stop at this level, and again, they will stop at this level. One week will come and it will go up. So, until 25,962 is the safe zone. Safe zone for the market is 25,962. A small 10 points or 5 points matters in option premium. So suppose if you are thinking market is coming to the level and thinking for the call option to enter, then uh, you, if you do not time the properly, if the market comes to these levels, so you should know all this level. So the market has flipped from this level and it acted as a support. You can see over here so clearly on an hourly basis, it acted as a support and flipped above. This is the liquidity sweep has been taken place. Then usually when liquidity sweep has taken place, see here one liquidity broken below this episodic pivot level and call writers money has been snapped and liquidity has been grabbed, and again second time this is the bullish EP and the market has gathered these writers money and this is the liquidity sweep. So you are with the levels, these episodic levels, pivot points, you are identifying the liquidity sweep levels. I'm not getting a small icons anyway. Let me use this as a liquidity sweep level. These are the liquidity. So, if the market comes to 25,998 to 985, then it can sweep the liquidity, mitigate this. Or it can even come deep down to this level, 25,898 to 25,880, that is the major level. The market can come down, and if you see, this is the major flip level. If the market breaks this level and all these levels comes to this level, the major level to note down is 25,899. So these are the in between, these are the clustered levels. Market can easily break because they have taken liquidity. If they come back to this level, they will be mitigating and they will be profitable. This is how these episodic level and flip levels, if you identify with my episodic pivot levels, you can be successful. See, these are the flip levels, acted as resistance, came down, acted as resistance, and flipped. This is the major flip level. So let us mark this level where the make or break level has taken place. 25,996. So below that, market can go down to this level. Below, once it breaks below, starts closing below that, market can break below this level. This is a flip level. Flip to the upside, flip to the downside, which acted as a resistance, acted as a support, and market has gone up. Suppose in case today's trade, if it starts breaking below this level, this is the immediate level to watch for. Immediate level to watch for, and immediate next level is 25,855. Because from this area, when it acted as a support and this candle has pierced through, you can see, you can remember this episodic pivot. The candle on that day, you can remove, huge candle, 100 points candle, piercing through, and this is the next level, 25,850. And here, the magic thing is, this is the major support level, because from this put writers support level, this is the major support level. Let us mark it with another color, the major support level as the another color. Or this is the major support level. So you can anticipate the market dipping down to this, or even it can dip down below this level, because these are the writers, and it can move higher. So even it can come down to 25,842. So with the episodic pivot level, you are getting the major levels. This is how you need to mark the levels, and let me enable my rolling pivot. With the help of the rolling pivot, you will get to know whether the market has lost its balance or not. You can see over here, so clearly market has broken below the pivot. That's why it has become gray. And the market has broken below the support, and this is the immediate pivot line, make or break line running through the rolling pivot. This is the immediate balance line. See how beautifully episodic pivot and rolling pivot are aligning with each other for your guidance. If you see, this area is a green territory. From here to here is a green territory. From the green territory, the market has come down. Green territory, market has come down. This is all green territory. The market here in this area, market has shown some sort of neutrality. Green too. So this is the flip area, major level to watch out. So these are the flip levels. Now you understood what is the flip level, how you can see the flip levels. This is the major breaker, maker level. Initially, the market can hit this level and it may show some reaction, because since it has broken down, the measured move from this year to here. So trade should be on the PE side. Sell and rise. The direction of the market is clear for a temporary being, and let me take the measured move, how much it can come. From here to here, the measured move will be just beneath this pivot. 25,980, and then market may try to break, or it may face resistance at this level. This is the in-between level. Because it has broken below these two levels, and this is the make or break level. Then it can pierce through and it can do that. So friends, for the trade, you can make a levels like this, mark levels like this, and flip level, episodic flip level, or the make or break level, flip levels you can mark, and your trade, you can trade with clarity with the help of rolling pivot. Rolling pivot and the episodic pivots combination will give you clarity and you can trade. Apart from that, you can use my other indicators also for an intraday. CPR, VCP, everything. CPR, VCP also help you for intraday grade. If I enable that indicator, this one, I'm enabling the CPR. This is the shorter time period GAN Hilo, and you can see CPRs over here. The CPR at the top. Let me take out this line, trend line. Let me remove this trend line and let me remove this block so that you can see with clarity. Let me remove. These are the episode. These were ascending CPR and then CPR at the top has been formed. So resistance is forming around this area. And the bullish episodic pivot candle, the price has broken below this is the last bullish episodic pivot and this is the flip level. At present, where the bullish episodic pivot is formed, a line is not formed over here. From there, price has moved down and price has flipped down. This is the immediate resistance for, this is the level, 26,130. Let me take the price label and put it over here. Because the market has already broken below this area already. It has pierced through. Sometimes when it pierced through, it tried to move higher. Any up move and rejection from 26,135 is a selling opportunity for you people as price already broken below the pivot. Even the pivot level is aligning with the CPR 26,176 already made a attempt and it has swallowed all this. This is an engulfing candle swallowing all this. Any attempt, it may not go above this. Any attempt to 26,098, 30 points above is a flip level for the market. So this is how you can mark the levels on your chart with the EP levels and you can trade with clarity. Okay, friends, thank you very much for listening to my video and giving me support. To access my indicators, you can message me on this number 9845209600. It is a paid indicator. You can contact me through WhatsApp and message me. Okay, you will get the details. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.